What's happening there, ladies and gentlemen? Today's video is your gateway to the world of passive income generation with the help of none other than ChatGPT. Brace yourself for some astounding facts. A humble children's storybook once earned a staggering $167,000 in passive income. But hold on, that's not all. With the mighty power of AI technology, you too can create a thriving business model that rakes in steady income without requiring constant effort, and I'm here to guide you through this journey of entrepreneurship. Let me take you on a journey of discovery, my dear audience. A chance encounter with a children's storybook on Amazon sparked my imagination and left me in awe of the massive amounts of passive income its sellers were earning. One book alone, priced at a modest $6.47 with 2,550 ratings, brought in a whopping $16,000, and that was just the beginning. Another book with 1,940 ratings, priced at $11.90, generated over $23,000. But the cherry on top? You can publish these books for free on Amazon KDP. Inspired by this revelation, I decided to harness the power of ChatGPT to create my very own storybook, publish it on Amazon, and watch the passive income roll while I slept. Join me in this video as I reveal the secrets to launching a similar business, from generating the perfect book idea to creating captivating content and stunning illustrations, all with the help of AI technology. The first step in creating a good storybook is to come up with a good story idea. I asked the chatbot to generate a title for a storybook related to kids, and it suggested The Adventures of Tommy and Timmy, The Search for the Lost Treasure. The story is for kids between 5 and 8 years old and is about two young friends who embark on a thrilling adventure to find a lost treasure hidden in the jungle. The next step was to create the story outline. The chatbot generated the chapters, and each chapter included the scenes in detail. Once we had the story outline, we could start creating the actual story content based on the chapters. All we needed to do was copy the first chapter, paste it into the chatbot, and set the prompt to write a rhythmic story. Once it was done, we read it, and if we didn't like it, we could always regenerate the answer until we were happy. We did the same for all the chapters, and in just a few minutes, we had a complete story ready to be converted into a book that could generate passive income without needing to write anything ourselves. But that was only the beginning. Even if you have the best story idea, it won't be good enough without illustrations. Here, you could easily pay thousands of dollars for artists to finish the illustrations. But what if I told you that all the images you see on screen were generated using an AI art generator for 100% free? Dear viewers, the world of AI art generators is vast and varied, but allow me to introduce you to the creme de la creme, Midjourney. Trust me when I say that the experience of creating stunning artwork with Midjourney is unparalleled. Don't believe me? You can try it for free via Discord. Once you're on their Discord server, you can feast your eyes on an endless stream of recently generated images. To create your masterpiece, simply start a prompt with /imagine and describe the image you want to bring to life. Then sit back and watch as Midjourney works its magic, upscaling your image and providing variations in style and composition. And the best part? It's all completely free. In this video, I've shown you how to create a captivating children's storybook with ChatGPT and breathtaking illustrations using AI art generators, all without spending a single penny. So, what are you waiting for? Publish your book on Amazon KDP and let that passive income flow while you catch some well-deserved sleep. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.